Hi, my name is Roselle Graffam.
Drew Driscoll.
Jed Radigan.
Amy Goodian.
I work at Loos Company in Pomfret, Connecticut.
I am a medtech operator on second shift.
I'm an inside sales rep.
I work in the rope mill.
I'm in the sales department.
I've been here a little over 4 years.
3 years.
2.5 years.
I actually started almost 2.5 years ago. I started as a medtech operator. Shortly after starting, I was deemed okay to do training. And I have been a trainer on second shift for medtech ever since.
A lot of the people that work in the office started working out in the mill.
I've seen several people go from cable tech to the front office working in IT. There's various opportunities for people. Some people just feel comfortable where they're at. I feel like the opportunity is there to advance if you want to do that. When I think about a career, I think about a place that I could go, not only show up and punch in, punch out. You can do that anywhere. I look for a place I can be challenged, but also find a fit that meets my creativity, but also can pay the bills.
One thing that's really, really nice at Loos is they are an entry-level position. So basically, you can come in here with no experience, and you're gonna get an extensive amount of training.
You learn from all different people a million different ways to do everything that you need to do. Those different perspectives are what's gonna help things click as far as learning what you need to know.
You make a mistake, it's addressed, you work on it. You know, you have your intersections where you have a 3-month, a 6-month, a 9-month, and a 1 year. So you can see how you're going, how you're doing each and every step of the way. So those little benchmarks are really important to the professional development of each employee.
I was one of those people that came in here with no manufacturing experience. And if you got that open mind and you're willing to learn and you're willing to take those challenges on and say, I'm gonna solve these, then you're gonna do fine.
Everybody's always willing to help and teach. Every day is learning. The resources here have been wonderful. I always have the right, the people to go to for answers when I don't know something.
People actually pay attention to how far you've come since you've started. So it's nice. It's really nice. You get recognized. You don't feel like a number here.
You do get your attaboys and you do get your pats on your back.
There's a real sense of accountability that people that work here have. That is my favorite part about working here.
Everybody that goes to work wants to feel valued. They want to feel protected. They want to feel as though they're contributing to something better, something bigger.
My passion, I think it's taking pride in everything I do. I'm feeling a more personally confident.
Going as far as I have come, it's a huge confidence boost.
I had the obstacles of learning and then to feeling confident again. Feeling confident as I learn, as I can speak. Customer calls me, I can answer a question. When I first came in here, I was like, can somebody help? Now I'm taking control.